और दोस्तों, मुझे फिर वो शेर याद आता है निदा फाजली साहब का, और आने वाले लॉन्ग ट्रैक को विशेष रूप से समर्पित है कि धूप में निकलो, घटाओं में नहा कर देखो। धूप में निकलो, घटाओं में नहा कर देखो, जिंदगी क्या है, किताबों को हटा कर देखो।
Wow, Nishant. So, what do you have in store for us next?
तो चारू, चलिए इस सांस्कृतिक संध्या में हम रुक करते हैं एक ऐसे देश की ओर जो हिंदुस्तान के उस राज्य से सटा है जहां सूरज की किरण सबसे पहले पड़ती है, जिसकी खुशहाली का पैमाना पूरी दुनिया में सबसे ज़्यादा है, और भारत के साथ जिस देश की दोस्ती की मिसाल पूरी दुनिया में दी जाती है। क्या तुम पहचान सकती हो कौन सा है वो देश?
Nishant, from the amount of Hindi that I know, I can just think of one country right now. Are you talking about Bhutan?
Yes, of course.
So, well, friends, we are about to embark on a journey that is going to take us to a friendly country. We have our friends from Bhutan who are going to showcase their culture in the form of a tribal dance representing the Shaktung Valley in the northeastern part of Bhutan. Let's give up for our Bhutanese friends.
एक बार जोरदार तालियां इस भूटानी संस्कृति के लिए। और दोस्तों, यही विविधता हमारी बहुरंगी संस्कृति की पहचान है और हमारी इस गंगा जमुनी तहजीब की पहचान है। हमारी भाषाएं, हमारा साहित्य, हमारा संगीत और हमारी कलाएं। तो चारू, क्या मैं जान सकता हूं कि हमारी सांस्कृतिक विरासत के पिटारे में से आपके पास नया क्या है?
Nishant, let's have a change. Let's come back to reality. Let's come back to the theater of life. So, did you get what I'm trying to say?
I think you are talking about the play.
Oh, precisely, yes. So, the next performance is going to be a play where the so called Aam Aadmi attempt a hijack. So, put your hands together for the Aam Aadmi hijacked attempt.
Passengers of Desi Jet number 814 Delhi to Singapore requested to board. This is the final call for all passengers.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Passengers of flight number 40814 Delhi to Singapore are requested to board the flight immediately. This is the final boarding call for the passengers. I repeat, this is the final boarding call for the passengers.
Ladies and gentlemen, attention please. This is not a flight announcement. I am the narrator of this play. And if you're wondering what this is about, this flight is going to be hijacked in about 5 minutes from now. But before doing that, let me introduce you to the abnormal characters traveling on this ill-fated plane. On your right, you see that guy in that obnoxiously tight t-shirt? He last heard a real human voice 2 years ago, around which time he just put on his hi-fi headphones. Next to him, in that Che Guevara t-shirt that hasn't been washed in a few years, is a man who styles himself as somewhat of a freelance revolutionary. He is basically one of those many people who are radically left because they're unemployed. He is usually seen tweeting furiously about subjects ranging from labor reforms to land ceilings, using that iPhone 6 Gold of his, which he bought on the first day at those high-end malls in Delhi. On the right of him is a UPSC aspirant. His mind thinks in a peculiarly UPSC sort of way. 3 years of pointless answer writing and multiple syllabus changes has elevated his mind to such a level that he doesn't know how to form an opinion on anything. Now his life is like the movie Inception. He makes attempts within attempts within attempts. Now, behind those 3 people in saffron, they are devotees of Bapu Bhagwanji. They are returning from another fruitless meeting that convened to demand the release of the notorious Swamiji, much maligned in scandals too obscene to mention. And then, of course, there's your air hostess and steward. Nothing special about them. Just like the guy in the pink t-shirt, they haven't smiled a real smile for the last 5 years. Working on half a salary in a bankrupt airline isn't helping their case either. Now let us move on to the most important introduction. Unlike the other people in the plane, these are activists. And as you know, this is the in thing in India these days. They have been part of the anti-corruption movement in India for the last few years. But after seeing the delayed response and indifferent attitude of politicians, civil servants, and everyone else, they have lost hope in all forms of political action. In fact, they recently started the Common Man's Anti-Corruption Army, and they have decided that extreme steps are the only way to make themselves heard. And they, ladies and gentlemen, are the prime movers of this play. That's right. These are the people who want to hijack this plane. But not today. Today, they're just going to get a feel of the security and then probably hijack it in a few days from now. Now enters the co-pilot, and a visibly disturbed pilot aboard the flight.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Passengers of flight number 40814 Delhi to Singapore are requested to board the flight immediately. I repeat, this is the final boarding call for all the passengers.
Now those two people, running breathlessly towards the plane, they are the director and assistant director of the play you're watching right now. And why they had to join these crazy actors is a story in itself.
Sir, why are we here? Why are we in this play?
Did you hear the narrator at all? Of course you are inside the play. However hard I try, these characters, they are too reluctant, too cautious. They don't want to do a hijack now. What they talk about is a dry run. Who are the dry run? And the plane is going to take off. So we have to enter the play.
But what will we do inside this play?
And we have to create the circumstances. No, circumstances for a hijack.
How?
Ladies and gentlemen, the flight is about to take off. Cabin crew, to your stations. The flight will take 6 hours to reach Singapore. You could take off your seatbelts now and enjoy the in-flight service. All the best for this journey.
Sir, you didn't tell me and I still don't understand. What are we doing here and how will we create the circumstances?
Son, all we need is a rumor. A rumor is a great idea. And believe me, this idea catches up very fast. And nobody can stop a hijack whose time has come.
Badri, I think there's going to be a hijack.
What?
Huh, I was just turning on the other side and I heard someone say the H word. What should we do now?
You should tell the pilot now.
I think so.
Madam,
Huh?
is there going to be hijack?
How do you know? What do you mean? I think you heard something wrong.
I have to talk to the air steward about it. Please don't hide it, ma'am.
What are you saying? I think you definitely heard something wrong.
Ma'am, please, ma'am, tell me who's going to hijack the plane. No, ma'am, it's very important for us.
Actually, I was pouring coffee on the other side and I heard the hijack word. Oh God, how many times will I make this blunder tonight?
Oh, thank God. I thought, you were suspecting us. We're not here to hijack the plane. We are here only for a recce. Don't worry.
This guy is crazy.
What is going on? What were you telling us? Why did she say?
Leave that, boss.
Moron!
Leave that. There is bad news.
Somebody else is going to hijack this plane. I just heard that air hostess talk to the steward about it, boss.
Oh my goodness! How can this happen? What did she tell you? Do you know who it is?
I told her clearly, boss, that we're not here to hijack the plane. And that we are here only for a recce. After all, why should we dirty our hands with other people's crime?
How can you take transparency talks to such levels? You told her everything.
Comrade, this moron is a big liability, I'm telling you.
Arey, yes, I know. But what do we do now?
Let me think. I think there is only one way out now, comrade.
Surely you're not suggesting?
Yes, comrade, I am. There is going to be a hijack today, one way or another. I think sometimes opportunity presents itself to us. This is our destiny calling out to us. We would be fools to ignore it.
Oh yeah, so, better.
Did you see that? Did you see that? Now the spark has cut. The fuse has been lit. The hijack is going to happen, my dear assistant.
Yes, sir, the hijack is going to happen. But these guys don't have any weapons.
Oh, yeah. But, we might have written this drama, but we cannot have full control over all the characters. Sometimes the characters determine what they want to do with the play. They know what to do, when to do, and how to do it. So just sit back and relax.
I'm not able to understand, sir.
I never expected you to.
Excuse me, miss.
Huh?
This knife,
Yeah.
it's blunt.
So, I think it's okay for cutting the knife, no? But
Yeah,
no?
yeah, exactly my point. This can only be used to cut bread. Can't use it for anything else.
Hey, we have much more important things to discuss, you moron.
No. Now tell me, how do we execute it?
I've been thinking about it. I think I have a plan. Every 5 minutes, the air hostess comes to our side of the aisle.
Okay.
You're sitting in the middle, ask for some water, okay? When she is offering that glass of water to you, I am going to stick this knife against her. We take her as the hostage, and then we do the hijack.
Yes! And then after that, all three get up. And now
Ah, no. I think one of us should do it. I am not doing it.
I am not doing it.
Boss, 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 let me do it now. Trust me, you just tell me what to say. I will write it down and say it as it is, boss. Please, boss. One chance, boss. I've never done it before, boss.
Okay,
Please.
okay.
Hijack, personal hijack.
Only once.
One condition. You will write exactly what I say, and you will say it exactly like that. Okay, write it down.
Eh? पानी ला
Get the papers out. Come on.
Ladies and gentlemen, don't panic. This is just a hijack. Those of you have your seatbelts on, put them on. Okay, tell them our demands, yeah?
We are hijacking this plane. Demand equal rights for gay men and women. For so long, the LGBT community in this country has suffered so much. I really thought the status of that community had changed after the Delhi High Court judgment. But no, things are back to normal now. This cannot be allowed to happen. The military-industrial complex in this country has been destroyed.
Dude, what are you talking about?
Oops, sorry. I got the dialogue mixed up. That is for the workers' strike next week. Anyway, long live the revolution. Gay rights for all.
Boss, doesn't this look like our script, K rights? Except for the last part. I mean, this.
Go get the steward. Hijack.
देवियों और सज्जनों, बाबा जी का कोटि-कोटि प्रणाम. This is a hijack. This government has arrested our Bapuji for the wrong reasons. He was only trying to help his childless devotees, just like we asked it.
You know, this country has become like a foreign country. Like Vilayan. They don't understand spirituality. They don't understand our Bapuji. If our Bapuji doesn't come out of jail, I will kill this man!
Oh my goodness! Everything in this country has degenerated. There is no hijack happening with quality also. Everything is corrupt. Organized religion is the root cause of corruption. I will not allow it. Down with this farce. Director, last ball, get the director hijack.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is a hijack. Don't panic. Don't panic. Don't panic. This is Sambu 140181. Previously 378376. Previously 096648. A civil service exam aspirant. I've been slogging for 3 bloody years for this exam and I've failed once again. Are UPSC, you don't give me a good rank, give me at least a copy of the answer sheets. Even the Supreme Court has ordered you to do so. Again Bipin Chandra, again Lakshmi Kant. My entire life is finished. So I'm hijacking the flight to demand the UPSC for a copy of my answer sheets.
No! But you can't do this to me. I'm the director of the play. I created your character. I wrote your dialogues.
Sorry. No, brother. Don't get me wrong. This is business. Nothing personal. After all is fair in UPSC and hijack.
Sir, isn't this dialogue better than the one we wrote for him?
Yes, it is. But with an assistant director like you, everything is messed up. Alas, I'm a hostage in my own play.
Sir, this is postmodernism!
Shut up! You're the root cause of all this. You needed 1 hijack and now you have 3.
No! 4! You people are not counting us! We're here for the hijack!
But you don't have a hostage! Get him a hostage!
planned it well, but you didn't execute it, nah?
Arey! Corruption is the main problem. Your gay rights can wait. Your bloody UPSC answer scripts can wait.
Okay, friends, that is why we are saying please release our Babuji. He's the next avatar of Shyam, Ghanshyam, Madhav, Keshav, Gopal, Murari, the one and only Shri Krishna. He can solve all our problems. You cannot put a divine incarnate behind bars. That will incur the wrath of all the Devi Devta. And our country will be destroyed. Total bhasam.
हमारे बापूजी के चरणों में समर्पित He's our only Masiha, our Palanhar, our Savior.
A savior who has to be saved. You guys are nuts. Like, totally.
Don't speak in English. That is the language of devil, man.
Yes, sure.
Don't speak English. एक बार कह दी तो बार-बार नहीं कहूँगा.
Not even a single hostage to hijack this aeroplane. Where is the quality? Where is justice? Everyone is corrupt.
Don't
Start this again. Friends, I don't see the point in our fighting with each other. I have 3 points. Point number 1, we need to eradicate corruption. Point number 2, we need to respect the human rights, especially of the LGBT community. Word limit 150. Point number 3, spirituality is also important. We need to respect the belief of followers. If he had written like this, he would have passed the exam.
Stop laughing! Stop laughing! We need a hostage! Are there no potential hostages? Nobody who's not already a hostage? Anyone?
Boss, look at that girl. Boss, look at that girl coming out of the washroom, boss.
She was there for 40 minutes. Turbulent bathroom.
Come on, get your papers up. Read it, go on, read it.
Excuse me, miss. This is the hijack. Yeah, we're hijacking this plane. We have a local bill of our own.
Are you
We
guys
want-
finished?
No, there are 100 sections and then there's subsections and there's subclauses.
Are you guys finished or are you
No,
going to
no,
let
we're
this
not
world make
finished.
the way?
100% what's not here for hijack.
Okay. Let me say this one final time. I can't take any more of this. This party is over.
Madam, how did you manage to sneak a gun on the flight?
Well, I own this flight. I'm the CEO. And I don't see why I shouldn't bring anything I like on board with me. You see, I was going to Singapore to save my bankrupt airline. And then I had a brilliant idea. This way, I don't have to beg before anyone for money, nor do I have to pay anyone back.
You are surely not suggesting, madam.
Yes. I'm hijacking this plane. Drop your weapons, all of you! Dress up! Dress up! 1 hour distance! Dress up! Dress up!
स्वस्थ रहो! स्वस्थ रहो! स्वस्थ रहो! स्वस्थ रहो!
How about? Listen to where we were talking. How about we all hijack this plane together? I'll give each one of you a decent cut. Your party, army, whatever. I'll fund it. You'll be rich beyond your dreams. And you guys, gay rights really? Don't you want money instead?
What about our Bapuji?
My lawyers can look into that. And you, what did you want?
Ma'am, my answer sheets. Roll number 140181.
I'll get you a good rank.
All India rank number 1.
Okay, I mean, is there anything money can't buy?
I have one question. How can we do this together? After all, who is hijacking whom?
Shut up! Just shut up! As long as the hijack takes place, these are no questions. Because as the director said right in the beginning, nobody can stop a hijack whose time has come.
कोई ऐसा ये पैसा आते हो मुसीबत से न हो मुसीबत मुसीबत
Why are you panting all over?
Ma'am, the pilot!
What?
shut her door. She shut her door. Shut the communications.
What are you trying to say?
I think she's going to crash this flight.
I have one more question. Is the hijack still on?
Ladies and gentlemen, flight travel today is not the safest of all journeys. It oscillates between hijacks and pilot suicides. But what about our country? Who is hijacking our course? And now I've lost my script, so I can't say any more random things.
समस्याओं से जूझते हुए इस प्ले को देखकर मुझे अशोक चक्रधर जी की 4 पंक्तियां याद आ रही हैं कि रात के अंधेरे में ना कोई ऐसा काम करो, रात के अंधेरे में ना कोई ऐसा काम करो, मुंह जो छिपाना पड़े दिन के उजेरे में, और दिन के उजेरे में ना कोई ऐसा काम करो, नींद जो ना आए तुम्हें रात के अंधेरे में। तो चारू, हम सब बेताब हैं ये जानने के लिए कि क्या कुछ है खास तुम्हारे पास इस शाम को और खुशनुमा बनाने के लिए।
Nishan, don't you hear that? The sound of music? Dance is not just about technique, it's about passion. We have a group of passionate dancers here to present a fusion of semi-classical and Western dance. Put your hands together for the Confused troupe.
The Confused group.
आजा आजा जिंद शामी आने के तले, आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले। जय हो जय हो। आजा आजा जिंद शामी आने के तले, आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले। जय हो नच कोयलों पे रात बिताई है, अखियों की नींद मैंने फूकों से उड़ा दी, गिन गिन तारे मैंने उंगली जलाई है। आजा आजा जिंदे शामी आने के तले, आजा सरी वाले नीले आसमान के तले। शुपे गाने दे हाले दे रेगो दी। तेरा शामियाने के तले आजा झरी वाले नीले आसमां के तले जय हो शोपेगम गामे दे हाले दे बेचू दे
Well, that was a scintillating and energetic performance. Nishant, we've seen a dance, we've seen a play. So what's in store next?
चारू, वक्त का पहिया यूं ही घूमता रहता है और जिंदगी रोज नए रंग बदलती है, लेकिन नहीं बदलता तो एक एहसास जिसे कहते हैं प्यार। और अगर हम सब ने कभी भी प्यार को महसूस किया हो तो मैं एक शायर की 4 पंक्तियां नजर कर रहा हूं कि मोहब्बत के शहर का आबो दाना छोड़ दोगे क्या, मोहब्बत के शहर का आबो दाना छोड़ दोगे क्या, और जुदा होने के डर से दिल लगाना छोड़ दोगे क्या, कि मोहब्बत के शहर का आबो दाना छोड़ दोगे क्या, और जुदा होने के डर से दिल लगाना छोड़ दोगे क्या, और जरा सा वक्त क्या गुजरा, जरा सा वक्त क्या गुजरा कि चेहरों पे उदासी है, गमों के खौफ से तुम मुस्कुराना छोड़ दोगे क्या। और इसी के साथ मैं आवाज दे रहा हूं कुछ खूबसूरत नगमों के साथ फनकारों को। आइए द साइलेंस ब्रेकर्स, जोरदार तालियां द साइलेंस ब्रेकर्स के लिए।
हमको मिली आज ये घड़ियां नसीब से, जी भर के देख लीजिए हमको करीब से, फिर आपके नसीब में है रात हो न हो, शायद फिर इस जन्म में मुलाकात हो न हो।
लग जा गले के फिर ये हंसी रात हो न हो, शायद फिर इस जन्म में मुलाकात हो न हो। लग जा गले से
नंबर सरिया गली में मारे फेरे पास आने को मेरे, गली में मारे फेरे पास आने को मेरे, कभी परखता नैन मेरे तू कभी परखता तो, कभी परखता नैन मेरे तू कभी परखता तो, अंबर जरिया मुंडिया वे खटिया कलिया ना तोड़, अंबर जरिया मुंडिया वे खटिया कलिया ना तोड़, तेरी माँ ने बोले हैं मुझे तीखे से बोल, अंबर सरिया
पानी दा रंग बैठ के, पानी दा रंग बैठ के, पानी दा रंग बैठ के, मेरी अखियां जो हंजूर उड़ गए,
अखियां जो हंजूर उड़ गए,
अखियां जो हंजूर उड़ गए, मेरे बाद किसी को सताओगे, मेरे बाद किसी को सताओगे, कहाँ जाके तीर चलाओगे, कहाँ जाके तीर चलाओगे, ये जो हल्का हल्का सुरूर है, ये तेरी नजर का कुसूर है,
ये शराब पीना सिखा दिया, ये जो हल्का हल्का सुरूर है, ये तेरी नजर का कसूर है। ये शराब पीना सिखा दिया, गुलाबी आंखें जो तेरी देखी, शराबी ये दिल हो गया। संभालो मुझको ओ मेरे यारो, संभलना मुश्किल हो गया। मैं लुट गया मान कर दिल का कहा, मैं कहीं का ना रहा, क्या करूं वो दिलरुबा। क्योंकि तुम ही हो, अब तुम ही हो जिंदगी, अब तुम ही हो चैन भी, मेरा दर्द भी, मेरी आशिकी, अब तुम ही हो। महफिल में कैसे कह दे किसी से, दिल बंध रहा है इस अजनबी से। हाय करे अब क्या जतन, सुलग सुलग जाए मन, भीगे आज इस मौसम में, लगी कैसी ये अगन, झिम झिम गिरे सावन। शामो सुबह तू मेरा, तेरे बिना क्या मेरा, दो जिस्मों जहां एक है, ना होना कभी तू जुदा, तेरी मेरी कहानी है बारिशों का पानी, बनके जो इश्क बरसे, तेरी मेरी कहानी, तेरी मेरी कहानी है बारिशों का पानी, बनके जो इश्क बरसे, तेरी मेरी कहानी।
Thank you, Sri Vishak, for the lighting. Thank you very much.
Oh, I so wish I could sing. That was a mesmerizing performance. Nishant, I heard you practicing some lines backstage. So can you tell what it was about?
देखो, प्यार मोहब्बत की बातें बहुत हो गई हैं, और दोस्तों प्यार का एहसास हमेशा खुशनुमा नहीं होता। कभी कभी इस राह में बड़े बड़े पापड़ बेलने पड़ते हैं, और यहाँ मैं समझता हूँ बहुत से अनुभवी लोग बैठे हैं, तो मुझे कहीं हास्य कवि सुनील जोगी की 4 पंक्तियाँ याद आती हैं। सुनिएगा, आपके पेशे खिदमत करता हूँ ज़हीन तरीन लोगों के। है आंसुओं में डूबी मेरे प्यार की कहानी, है आंसुओं में डूबी मेरे प्यार की कहानी, भीतर से है बुढ़ापा बाहर से है जवानी, और नजरों से आज नजरें कैसे मिलाएं जानी, तेरी दाईं आंख कानी मेरी बाईं आंख कानी। तो दोस्तों, इसी के साथ जो प्यार का एक खट्टा मीठा और प्यारा सा एहसास है, इसी को समेटे हुए हम पेश करते हैं आज की आखिरी प्रस्तुति, एक खूबसूरत सा ग्रुप डांस, भानुप्रिया एंड ग्रुप। एक बार जोरदार तालियां आखिरी प्रस्तुति के लिए।
मुकाबला
दिया दिल कभी कैच किया रे साड़ी के फॉल सा कभी मैच किया रे कभी छोड़ दिया दिल कभी कैच किया रे टच करके टच करके टच करके टच करके कहाँ चल दी बच करके टच करके टच करके बच करके दिल से दिल अटैच किया रे कभी छोड़ दिया दिल कभी कैच किया रे साड़ी के फॉल सा कभी मैच
प्यार की ये कहानी सुनो एक लड़का था एक लड़की थी होती क्या है जवानी सुनो एक लड़का था एक लड़की थी वो भी एक दौर था वक्त ही और था जब वो थे अजनबी दोनों तरह से थे पर वो कहते किसी बात जो दिल में थी प्यार की ये कहानी सुनो एक लड़का था एक लड़की थी होती क्या है जवानी सुनो एक लड़का था एक लड़की थी वो भी एक दौर था वक्त ही और था जब वो थे अजनबी दोनों तन्हा से थे पर वो कहते किसे बात जो दिल में थी प्यार की ये कहानी